Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to this channel, then welcome. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. If you want to get notified whenever I post videos, hit that notification bell next to subscribe button so you'll be notified. And finally, I got myself a new camera and I've been so loving it. Why have I decided now to buy a camera? I'm such a cheapskate when it comes to those kind of things. Oh my god, I love it. I actually got the Sony A5000. I was gonna get the Canon G7X, but then again, my husband told me that I'm not such a good when it comes to electronics, so he told me just to get this. But anyways, as long as it's a nicer quality, I'm good with that, and it's a flip screen and I can actually see myself. Oh my god, I love it. So yes, I did a tutorial on you guys. I haven't done any makeup tutorial in a while and I actually miss doing it, so sorry about that. Anyways, I got this. This tutorial is mainly on this Bad Habit Solstice palette, and I've been loving this palette. I actually has been grabbing this more often than any of my palettes because this is such a subtle and so an easy. Don't get intimidated by this kind of eyeshadow because you can wear this every day on an everyday basis, and this is the look that I came up with. And also just keep in mind that I am not a professional makeup artist. I just love doing makeup, and yes, I wanted to share it to you guys so we will help each other out. That's how YouTube community is nowadays anyway. So yes, I hope you will love this look as well. So I'll see you next time. Bye.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Sleep, never say you're sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh yeah, take you like a pill. Get my fill. Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke